All golfers like to hit the ball a long way, and that's okay because it's fun to do so. But how do we actually achieve that? We need to use the power that we possess in our bodies in its most efficient manner. Without force from our bodies, the golf club will not move, and therefore neither will the ball. In the same way, if I would like to throw this ball as a right-handed person in this direction, I need to use my body in its most efficient manner to achieve maximum distance, maximum power. So what sort of position would I adopt to do that? Well, from my own feeling, I would want to stand around here. From here I can feel I can move freely and dynamically and achieve maximum power. Now let's assume for a moment that we are indoors and we have a mechanical ceiling, and we can lower this ceiling, and we lower the ceiling so it forces me down here. Well, the first thing I notice that my possibility of movement, that power feeling or free feeling, is dramatically reduced. Now the question is, will the efficiency and my ability to throw that ball to its maximum distance and maximum power be affected? Of course it will. And the more I am forced into a bent set position, the more restricted I will become. Likewise, if I try to stand perfectly upright, this will also not be an optimum position. Quite simply, there is an optimum position from which to start from, and this applies to whether we are throwing a ball or whether we are playing golf. In golf, it's very easy for you to find which position is the correct one. Try adopting a starting position without a golf club and ask yourselves, in which position do I feel powerful? In which position am I able to move freely and dynamically? Is it down here or is it up here? Whether we do this exercise with professional golfers or absolute beginners, almost all choose to stand in a position similar to the one I chose to stand in to throw that ball. This we call anatomical intelligence.
This is a demonstration of the Setup Engineering measuring system. We have defined a biomechanically perfect setup position with the optimal angles at the ankle, at the knee, at the hip, at the shoulders, and between the arms and the golf club shaft. With the help of simple trigonometry, we are able to calculate the optimum golf club length for any golfer. This software is built in to the MTM Golf's website. To ensure that your measurements are taken accurately, only our network of golf professionals, physiotherapists and medical partners are able to log in and use this system. They are all able to accurately pinpoint the appropriate anatomical points on the body which are required to make precise measurements. For this demonstration we will use an anonymous person from our database. He is male, 33 years old, physically very fit, 177 centimeters tall and weighs 82 kilograms. So let's look at his anatomical measurements and how they are applied to our measuring system. If we first click on box M1, the first required measurement will flash. In this case, the measurement taken from the ground to the ankle was 10 centimeters. After entering each measurement, if we then press the tab key, the next required measurement will flash and the measured length can be entered. His lower leg was measured at 39 centimeters. His upper leg, 41 centimeters. His spine length, 55 centimeters. Arm length, 65 centimeters. Hand length, 19 centimeters. Hand width, 15 centimeters. And as mentioned, he is 177 centimeters tall, which is around 5 feet 10 inches. If we then press the calculate button, the software begins to calculate the golf club length for this individual. For this golfer to achieve a biomechanically perfect setup position, the length of his 7-iron needs to be 40.5 inches. If you look closely at the Setup Engineering measuring system, you will see that it shows conclusively that standard length golf clubs and custom fitted golf clubs are inadequate in providing the optimum golf club length for individual golfers. The optimal relationship between the length of golf club and the weight of the golf club head is also an important issue which needs to be addressed. The anonymous person that we used for the demonstration of the measuring system has played golf since he was 10 years old and is a very competent golfer. Through playing and practicing, the muscles in his body have been trained to perform the movement of the golf swing. The muscles are therefore fast and strong, and with good swing mechanics, this allows him to hit his 7-iron around 150 meters. Now let's take a second person as an example. She is female, 65 years old, and she is also 177 centimeters tall and has exactly the same anatomical lengths as the man did. But this lady only weighs 48 kilos and is just beginning to play golf. She is very slight in build and has done very little sport in her life, and therefore the muscles are not trained specifically for the golf swing. She simply has much less muscle mass and strength than the man. Surely this lady needs a lighter club head than the man. Together with the mechanics of the movement, our individual muscle strength and speed is the force that is able to move the golf club at high speeds. It is both logical and necessary that the club head weight is optimized to the muscle strength and speed of the individual. This will enable the golfer to be more efficient. This is exactly what we are offering with our new Nova system. As a result of the setup engineering process, MTM Golf can now build you a set of golf clubs which will be handmade to match your individual anatomical needs. Golf clubs that promote an optimum starting position and are tuned to your body characteristics. And our motivation for doing this as golf teachers is simple. We simply want you to play better golf.
Today we have a rapidly growing network of PGA Golf Professionals that work with us to provide you this complete learning experience. These golf professionals understand how simple the golf swing really can be when you are given the opportunity to start from a correct setup position. You can find your nearest PGA Golf Professional within the pages of our website. Thank you very much for listening, and we hope to see you again here soon.